Okay. Good evening, everyone. So let's start our lesson. It's all about enhancing collaborative learning with cloud-based tools. So, unleashing the power of technology in education. Okay, let's continue our discussion. So, why collaborative learning matters? So, it improves communication and teamwork skills, enhance critical thinking and problem-solving abilities, then increase student engagement and motivation. And then the next one is diverse perspectives and knowledge sharing. It fosters a supportive and inclusive learning environment. So what are cloud-based tools? So just like sa panggit mong talaganihan, so cloud-based tools are cloud computing, storing and accessing data and programs over the internet. So ang benefits niya is real-time collaboration and simultaneous editing, accessibility from any device with internet access, easy file sharing and version control, cost-effective and scalable solutions. And then, the next one is video conferencing for group projects. So, connecting across distances. Ang tools niya is like Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, and etc. So, next ko gigamit ron ang Google Meet. Its features, video and audio conferencing, screen sharing and remote control, chat and file sharing, breakout rooms for small group discussion, and then use cases for virtual group meetings and presentation, online tutorials and workshops, remote collaboration on projects. And then this one is the cloud storage and file sharing. So organizing and sharing resources. So tools niya, examples kay Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox, and etc. Its features, centralized storage and easy access, file sharing and permission settings, version control and backup options. So benefits for diverse learners, creating an inclusive learning environment. So inclusive ang environment. It accommodates different learning styles and paces, provides flexibility and accessibility for students with disabilities, and promote inclusivity and equal participation. Because kani siya, like sa itong gigamit karon ang Google Meet, gamit kani siya during the pandemic times. So not just sa pandemic times, but also kanaang sa mga remote nga kanaang mga classes, like kanang sa kanang makeup class, pwede ang teacher maghatag og online class para mas accessible sa students and inclusive po sa mga students. So, and that's all. Are you ready for the assessment? I will show you pictures and then I will call your name para ma-identify ninyo ang picture. Are you still there? Hello? Let's proceed to assessment. Tobes, can you name the first 3 pictures? Ms. Tobes?
Yes, ma'am. So the first picture is Zoom.
Okay.
The second one is Google Meet, and the third picture is Microsoft Teams, ma'am.
Okay, very good. These are the first tools. And then, Mark Jovinder, can you name the second set of pictures? Mr. Vinder?
Google Drive, ma'am.
Okay, the next one.
Cloud.
Okay, the last one.
And last one, ma'am, is Dropbox.
Okay, very good. So these tools are the storage tools. Is there any clarifications?
None, ma'am.
So it is all about the enhancing collaborative learning. Okay, cloud-based tools. And I think that's all for this evening. Okay, thank you everyone.